Your 21Alive First Alert Forecast.
And to a much lesser extent, here at home, we've had to deal with our own issues with a lot of rain and some flooding on area rivers. This is the estimated rain total so far since the beginning of the month. You see there's a lot of pockets of white, especially to the south and east of Fort Wayne. Those are rainfall estimates, anywhere between 5 to 6 inches of rainfall. That doesn't necessarily mean that's exactly what fell, but it gives you a really good idea of just how much precipitation we've seen since the beginning of the month. And we've still got some more rain showers to deal with this evening, and that's making all of the area rivers swell up. This is what the Maumee River looks like here in Fort Wayne. That crested yesterday at around 18.1 feet, and it's going to stay in the minor flood stage at least for the next couple of days. And we know that other area rivers have spilled over their banks into low-lying areas. So just a little information I want you to keep in mind. With moving water, it only takes 6 inches to knock somebody over. And it only takes 1 to 2 feet of moving water for cars to float. So if you come across a flooded roadway, turn around, don't drown. Find an alternate route. I cannot stress that enough. And we do have a few more smaller precipitation chances over the next 7 days. Monday, we're tracking a weak system that's not really going to bring us a lot of precipitation. And then Wednesday night into Thursday, we're tracking some scattered rain showers. Here's what future track looks like at least through Monday. We get rid of tonight's rain showers in between about 9 and 10 o'clock. And then we see mostly dry conditions for your Sunday. Off to the far southeast of 21 Country, Jay County, southern Adams County, Van Wert County could experience a few stray rain showers mixed with a few snow flurries on Sunday. But honestly, it's not going to be a huge concern. And then we see clearing conditions on Monday morning before that weak system moves through Monday afternoon. Yes, bringing a few snowflakes, but we're not concerned with any accumulations. It's just going to be more of an annoyance that we're going to have to see that for early April. So how much precipitation are we adding from tonight's rain and Monday? For the most part, less than half an inch, with that area off to the south and east receiving maybe a little bit closer to the half-inch mark. Temperatures are going to be noticeably cooler over the next several days as well. We're going to be right on the boundary between cool air and warm air Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday. Unfortunately, we're just on the cooler side of things. So we're talking temperatures hanging out in the 40s for the next several days. And that's the afternoon temperatures. And we've got some chilly mornings coming up as well. Tonight, 36 degrees at the coolest. If you're heading out to the Tin Caps game tomorrow, it will be dry, but it's going to be cool. First pitch at 1:05. The temperature will be in the mid-40s. And that's pretty much where we're staying throughout the entire day on Sunday. We've got 49 for that high on Monday. 42 on Tuesday. Wednesday, we're back up to 50 degrees. Thursday, pretty much normal in terms of temperatures, but that's the day for some scattered rain showers that we want to give you the first alert about now if you have any outdoor plans next week. Thursday might be the day to at least try to avoid them. But next weekend, at least the start of it, looking pretty good. 58 degrees and a mix of sun and clouds.
So tomorrow, we could possibly, not tomorrow, Monday, we could see snowflakes possibly.
I mean, it's not uncommon for this time of year.
Yeah.
It's just annoying to see.
It's not ideal.
I'm done with the snow. It's spring. Let's just move on with it. Let it be rain.
I'd have to agree. Thank you, Caleb. Coming